From the moment the sun rises over endless tomato fields to the final squeeze on your favorite fries at dinner, every drop of ketchup tells a story of nature, hard work, and modern science. Watch as ripe red tomatoes are gently hand-picked at dawn, then rushed to a high-tech food factory where they are washed, sorted, crushed, and cooked into that glossy, sweet, tangy sauce we all love. It brings families together around messy plates, in food trucks, and picnic tables without ever asking for attention. Here is the full journey from harvest to home in short story. Before we roll into this flavorful story, our team has continuously put in countless hours of effort researching, filming, and editing to create quality videos that inform and inspire you. If you enjoy learning, please support us by subscribing to the channel, hitting the like button, sharing this video with friends and family, and leaving your future ideas in the comments below. Now, let's dive into the red gold that makes every meal better.
Welcome to the factory. Let us see how we make it.
Cleaning cycle is complete. Moving to pulping area.
Step 5. The pulping process. The tomatoes are violently churned by steel blades, separating the skins and seeds from the rich pulp.
Once washed, the tomatoes are crushed into this rich puree. The team meticulously checks the consistency of the pulp.
spray down complete.
Confirmed. Batch 36 verification successful.
Rhythmic precision fills the glass bottles with the vibrant red ketchup as they speed along the conveyor toward the capping station.
We are clear on this batch. Confirm the line is running smoothly.
The bottles move rapidly along the silver conveyor. Mechanical nozzles descend with incredible precision.
The bottles move rapidly along the conveyor as the mechanical nozzles descend, precisely filling each one with the glossy red ketchup.
This video is created for educational and informational purpose using advanced AI tools using human creativity. All concepts, script, and storytelling are independently developed to ensure its originality. Visuals and animations and other enhance using AI technology such as VO3, Meta AI, and Grok AI, while final editing and post production are completed using CapCut. No external creator content has been copied or reused. Any resemblance to real world environments, factories, or processes is purely coincident. All scenes shown in this video are digitally created and do not represent real footage. This content is produced with transparency and follows all YouTube monetization guidelines.